Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. Let's create this look. So to start with, I have moisturized my face. Now I am using this primer. I'm focusing the primer mainly on the T-zone. To color correct, I am using this palette by MAC. I'm going to be using this orange color corrector. If you don't want to use orange color corrector, what you can do is you can mix the orange color corrector with the shade of your concealer. This way you won't have to layer much. But what I do is I apply the orange color corrector, then apply some loose powder on it, so the color corrector won't get mixed with the foundation. I'm applying the corrector wherever I have pigmentation on my face. Next, I'm applying some loose powder on the corrector that I used. Next step is foundation. I'm applying the foundation with the help of a flat brush. You can use whatever tool you like to apply the foundation. Don't forget the hairline while applying the foundation. Drag the remaining foundation on your neck and your ears. I'm blending the foundation with a wet beauty blender. It will give my foundation a skin-like finish. To highlight my face, I'm using a light shade of concealer. I'm blending the concealer with a wet beauty blender. I'm taking this concealer on my eyelids also, so that it creates a base for my eyeshadow. For blush, I'm using this cream blush. Apply it with a dry or wet beauty blender. Next, I'm fixing everything with some loose powder. To contour my face, I'm using this palette by Swiss Beauty. For a natural finish, take the contour in your hairline. Next, I'm applying some highlighter. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using a brow pomade. I wanted my eyebrows to look darker, so I used a brow pencil as well. To start with my eye makeup, I'm using this orange eyeshadow first. I'm blending it with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm using this dark shade of eyeshadow. I'm applying it with the help of my fingers. Next, I'm using this shade. I'm using a pencil brush. Next, I'm blending any harsh lines. I'm using the same shade on my lower lash line. For liner, I'm using a gel liner. The best part about this look is this is beginner friendly. I'm smudging the liner with a pencil brush. You can even use a Q-tip for this. Once the liner dries, it does not smudge, so you have to be very quick to apply it and then smudge it. Next, I'm applying falsies. For my falsies, I'm applying the lash glue first. Apply the falsies in the middle first, then press it on the outer corner and then on the inner corner. To tightline my eyes, I'm using this kohl. I'm also applying this kohl on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Then I'm smudging it on my lower lash line. I'm not going all the way to the inner corner. Next I'm smudging the kohl on my waterline. I'm using a lip liner for my lipstick first. You can skip this step if you want to. Next I'm applying a liquid lipstick. And that's it, that's the final look. The look is very beginner friendly. Anybody can go for this look. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.